talk about Refer a Friend and email campaigns in Dealer Admin and Virtual Keypad. Refer a Friend and email campaigns allow you to gather warm leads for new customers or upsell opportunities for your existing customers. With Refer a Friend and email campaigns, there's a link for a potential customer or an existing customer to fill out their information to allow you to contact them. Once the form is filled out, you can view that information on the Customer Referrals page of Dealer Admin. Let's take a look at that now. On the Customer Referrals page of Dealer Admin, I can see any open referrals from the app or email campaigns. At any time, I can click View to view this response. Quickly, I can see the potential new customer's email, phone number, and who they were referred by. Below that, I can see the current customer offer and the new customer offer. This information is available in Dealer Admin at any time, but you can also set up to 6 emails to receive an automatic notification when a warm lead is received. To set that up, click on Settings. I can enter in a new email here. And just click Save. Now that those emails have been configured in Dealer Admin, anytime a new customer referral is received, they'll be sent an email with all of the information needed to contact that warm lead. For more information on Refer a Friend or email campaigns, log into Dealer Admin or contact your DMP DDM today.